To operate the failover system, you need to activate an Axxon Next Universe license. We recommend that you first merge all nodes into a single Axxon domain. Launch the activation utility. Connect to a node. Select Create an activation request. Select the license type. If you plan to bind the license to a Guardant dongle, make sure that it's physically connected to your PC. Next, select the required number of objects for nodes. In case of an N+1 configuration, no objects have to be added for failover server. Important. Regardless of the configuration, all servers must be switched on and be online, including nodeless backup servers. Click the Next button. Send the completed request file to your AxxonSoft account manager to obtain the license.key file. Once you receive it, activate the license.